Kathua, viewers. The Kathua police have detained 24 individuals now, and they are all being questioned as we speak for allegedly helping the terrorists who carried out this attack and are suspected of assisting in the reconnaissance of the area. Now, we are being joined by my colleague Gursimran Singh, and that's the big breaking news we are getting right now, viewers. Remember, there have been many people who were apprehended also, who were, as per reports, involved in this ghastly terror attack, this ambush in Kathua, where 5 of our Jawans have lost their lives, and people who have helped out the terrorists are being questioned. My colleague Gursimran Singh joins us live on the broadcast for more. Gursimran, tell us about what's happening right now. What we are getting to know is that at least 24 people are being questioned, and they are suspected to have been assisting or helping out these terrorists.
Yes, Shivangi, at least 24 people have been detained by the Jammu and Kashmir police in connection with the terror attack that took place on the Indian Army's vehicle in the Machedi area on July 8th, when it was traveling back to it from its camp to a location, when it was barged with first with the bullets and then with grenades by the Pakistani terrorist of Jaish-e-Mohammed, in which 5 brave hearts of the Indian Army from the 22 Garhwal, all hailing from the Uttarakhand, attained martyrdom, while 5 others were seriously injured. However, now the situation is said to be stable, but now acting on the specific leads that the police has generated, 24 people have been detained, and right now they are being questioned not only by the Jammu and Kashmir police but also by the central investigating agencies and central intelligence agencies. What the agencies suspect that they are the one who have directly or indirectly have helped these terrorists either to activate the terror grid in the area, or to carry out the recce of this area, along with the logistic support and providing them food and shelter. This is what the suspicion of the agencies is. Earlier, DGP of the Jammu and Kashmir, Rashim Ranjan Swain, has made it amply clear that those who will be found to have been helping the terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir, they will now be dealt under the Enemy Agent Act. That means they will be treated as the agents of the Pakistan in Jammu and Kashmir, and which can lead to the punishment of lifetime imprisonment or even the death sentence. So rigorous laws will be implemented on the supporters of the terrorists, and 24 people have been detained on the suspicion of helping the terrorists in carrying out the attack that was carried out on July 8, which claimed the life of 5 brave hearts of the Indian Army from the 22 Garhwal unit. Shivangi.
All right. Thanks so much, Gursimran, for joining us with the updates coming in. And viewers, remember that we have been tracking all the developments on this operation. In fact, it's now been revealed that that the US-made bullets were used, steel bullets were used, and these are all used by Pakistani terrorists. And clearly, there's another evidence that Pakistan was behind this terror attack in Kathua. Here's a report filed by my colleague Gursimran Singh from Ground Zero.
Doda encounter has now entered the day's second, and right now we are in the Lal Draman area where the operation is underway. The Jammu and Kashmir police along with the Indian Army has led an extended cordon in the area to neutralize the Pakistani terrorists of Jaish-e-Mohammed that are active in the area. This area that is next to this is the operation site where the terrorists are suspected to be hiding, and here you will see the Special Operations Group of the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the local Rashtra Rifles unit, the Indian Army. They have been deployed. They are carrying out a strict vigil on the troops movement that is taking place, because on the other side we have seen there have been the movement of the terrorists that was traced yesterday when the exchange of fire took place, and today as well there has been regular movement of the terrorists, and that's why the alert troops have been deployed. And as we walk from this area, the entire area, this ridge has been cordoned in by the security forces. As we walk from this area, you will see that every nook and corner is now secured by the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the Indian Army. This side also, since this is a dense forested area, here we see that the Indian Army troops have been deployed along with the Jammu and Kashmir police. These are the special units of the Rashtra Rifles that have the experience to carry out the operations, to carry out the tactically important operations along with the Special Operations Group. The SOG yesterday evening at around 5:15 established the contact with the Pakistani terrorists, and then the additional forces were reinducted into the operation, and now they are keeping a strict vigil as the outer cordon is the most important, keeping in view this dense forested area. This area is that difficult that if you walk for 30 odd seconds, then you will not be able to walk for another minute, because this is a steep upward and downward terrain where the operation is underway in the Lal Draman area of the Doda. And as we walk, there are some of the additional checkpoints that have been established by the Indian Army. These are to ensure that the terrorists, if they try to sneak out from the area, they are neutralized at an earliest. This is one of the largest operations, the mega operations that have been launched in the Doda district in the month of July, after the attack that we have seen in the Kathua, where Indian Army's vehicle was targeted by the security forces. Now the Indian Army has gone full throttle along with the Special Operations Group, trying to get into the hideouts of the terrorists, keeping a strict vigil. All are on the alert positions, ensuring that the perpetrators are neutralized, because what these terrorists are doing, they are targeting the security forces using the US-made M4 rifles, the steel-piercing bullets and what-not. These terrorists, they want to ensure, they want to inflict maximum casualties to the security forces, but the alertness of the Indian Army that we have seen in this area, this shows that the local police along with the Indian Army, they are going to hunt down these Pakistani terrorists. The total number of terrorists that are active in the Jammu region is somewhere 50 Pakistani terrorists. That is a real cause of concern, and security forces are now ensuring that the perpetrators are neutralized in such a manner that they don't get a chance to inflict more casualties to the security forces. Last in the month of June, we have seen how the terrorists attacked the pilgrims bus from the Shiv Khodi that was heading towards the Katra, and now once again the operations have been intensified as we speak. The forces have gone full throttle in the operation to wipe out the Pakistani terrorists who have sneaked in inside the Indian territory. With Sarjeevan Kumar, Gursimran Singh for Republic Media Network.